Bonjour et bienvenue sur Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get all video lessons first. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who are learning French. Today's topic is Adjectif Possessif, Possessive Adjective. Listen carefully and follow along. In French, possessive adjectives show ownership or belonging. Just like in English, my book, your house. French has different forms based on the gender and number of the noun. Let's go over the rules with simple examples. Let's start with singular forms of my, mon, ma, mes, mon. Before masculine, singular nouns. Example, mon livre, my book. Ma, before feminine, singular nouns. Example, ma maison, my house. Mes, before plural nouns. Example, mes amis, my friends. Now for your ton, ta, tes, informal tone before masculine singular nouns. Example, ton chien, your dog. Ta before feminine singular nouns. Example, ta voiture, your car. Tes before plural nouns. Example, tes livres, your books. Next, his, her, its, son, sa, ses. Son, before masculine singular nouns. Example, son frère, his brother, her brother. Sa, before feminine singular nouns. Example, sa sœur, his sister, her sister. Ses, before plural nouns. Example, ses enfants, his children, her children. Now let's learn or, notre, nos. Notre, before singular nouns, both masculine and feminine. For example, notre école, which means our school. Nos, before plural nouns. An example would be nos amis, meaning our friends. Next, your, formal, plural, votre, vos, votre, before singular nouns. Example, votre professeur, your teacher. Vos, before plural nouns. Example, vos parents, your parents. Lastly, their, leur, before singular nouns. Example, leur maison, their house. Leur, before plural nouns. Example, leurs enfants, their children. Great job! Now you know how to use possessive adjectives in French. Let's quickly revise. Mon, ma, mes, my, ton, ta, tes, your, informal. Son, sa, ses, his, her, its. Notre, nos, our, votre. Vos, your, formal, plural. Leur, their. Practice using them in sentences and write them in the comments below. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lessons. Merci beaucoup pour avoir regardé. À bientôt.